And people talk about in-memory database. What exactly is in-memory? Is it like you don't, it is a RAM where you store all the information and that is why it is quick? Or do you have more information about why do we call it as in-memory database all the
Yes.
time?
Yes. If you go back to the days of R3 and you had an Oracle database, I would say more than probably, well, the database lived on disk. So every time you wanted to access some customer records within your R3 system, you had to go off the disk and fetch the data. And that is inherently very slow. And because it's so slow, R3 had to be developed in such a way that it had special tables to overcome this slow access of summary data. It had aggregate tables that were trying to make it, it was a workaround. Now with HANA, if you say, well, I don't need to keep my huge ERP database on disk. I can load it once into my main memory, random access memory. Once I've got all my data in memory, every time I need to access anything, I can go immediately to what I need. I can go to tables containing finance and manufacturing data immediately. It's so much faster. And because of that, because it's so much faster, it allows you to run your processes in a more streamlined way. Now, this is the theory. Okay, this is the theory. And there have been examples of early adopters. There have been some early adopters that have upgraded to HANA and have said that they can run MRP in a matter of minutes. They can hugely streamline. They can cut days off the end of month processing. But this is first level benefit.
Yeah, because if you run faster, you get some indirect benefit. You know your stocks real time. You can make faster decisions. You can make right decisions with everything happening real time. Because if you run MRP and it takes hours, and then when you get the information about the stock, it's actually already late. So you can end up making some wrong decision about this.